We turn now to an update on the Utah children's author who wrote a book about dealing with grief after her husband's death.
That woman has now been charged with his murder. ABC4's Annika Johns joining us live in studio with the latest updates today. Annika.
Yeah, that's right. Thank you. Kouri Richins is being held in Summit County Jail without bail for her husband Eric's murder. Documents ABC4 obtained say that Richins killed her husband after she poisoned a drink for him with fentanyl. 33-year-old children's author Kouri Richins has been charged with her husband Eric's murder. This comes shortly after she released a book detailing ways to help those who have lost a loved one cope. A month ago, Richins was featured on Good Things Utah about her book and dealing with the loss of her husband.
My husband passed away unexpectedly last year. It completely took us all by shock.
Now she's facing aggravated murder charges and 3 counts of possessing a controlled substance with the intention to distribute. Court documents say that Richins put 5 times the lethal amount of fentanyl into her husband Eric's drink on the night of March 3rd, 2022. Further investigating into Richins' life after her husband's death revealed documents detailing a claim she made against her husband's will nearly a year after his death. In this claim, Richins petitioned to remove Eric's sister as his personal representative, who replaced Kouri in his will. The claim asked for more than $3 million, and more than half of that comes from an ownership interest from Eric's stonemasonry company. It was granted to Richins under terms signed when they were married in 2013. However, under Utah law, she probably won't get the claim, especially through the Utah Slayer statute, which stops a person of interest in a homicide from receiving the victim's full estate.
In this type of case, if the court were to determine, it's more likely than not that she committed this, then the court could decide to disqualify her as an heir of the estate.
In the warrant for her arrest, officials say they were advised by Eric's family to look into his wife, saying that he had told them if anything happened to him, she was to blame.
To try and understand, not only how to grieve as a widow, as a wife, but also, with my kids, how to help them understand what just happened.
More documents show Richins attempted to kill her husband on 2 other occasions, once while they were traveling in Greece and again on Valentine's Day in 2022. A detention hearing for Richins has been scheduled for May 19th, and this is a developing story. We'll continue to update on air and online at abc4.com when we continue to learn more. Back to you at the desk.